Probably an ambitious project, but this my 92 GTX I'd like to have on the lake tomorrow. So I need to put the engine back into it, so I need to make a SeaDoo Dolly. So that's what I'm doing today. This is going pretty well, actually, pretty quick. I'm using 4x4 posts. I cut in 20, I think these are 24-inch. So I've got 4 posts like that. I've got cut 4, also, I think these are also 24-inch for the front supports, and then I'm going to have 2 side supports, 4-foot sections on each side, and then the bunks will sit right on top of this 4x4. I'm going to cut the tops on an angle, and then we're going to have 5-foot sections on top of that. And then I've just got some casters, and we're going to use lag bolts to screw it all together. It should be pretty straightforward, so let's get into her, and I will do another stop the video here and plenty strong. Plenty strong. Alright. And we keep going. Using this clamp here because I'm actually forcing the bottom of the dolly apart. Just the lumber is not totally true. It's helping this end out a little bit. So it's kind of a trick with these clamps is you can actually use them the other way too. Example is right here at this edge. You can see we're off a bit. These 4x4s aren't the truest 4x4s. They're kind of twisty. What do you get? As you can see with the wood here, you're going to get more shrinking on the outside than you will on the inside. So oftentimes you'll get splits. Try to put the splits on the inside, but they are a little twisty. So I'm trying my best to keep everything square here. So I've got this clamp actually I'm using this clamp in a reverse motion here, spreading this apart. And I just need to get this. I've drilled this hole, push this up like that, drill the hole now. And fasten that, should be nice and square. Okay, so here's what we're working with. It's looking great. Things all fastened and more or less straight as I could get it. It's always hard when you're working with lumber like this, but pretty straight. Next step is to put the wheels on, and we're going to cut this 10-foot section in half and put 5-foot bunks on top of that, and those will just get regular wood screws screwed into the top of that. So we'll go ahead and do that. Alright, I got the bunks on. Okay, that's looking good. I just used one particle board screw, these screws here. One per bunk. That's not going anywhere. It's not going anywhere there. And last step is to put on the wheels. So let's do that. Alright, there she is, all completed. And I think I'm realizing at this point that I probably made the dolly too high. Not sure if that's a bad problem to have or not, but I think I'd rather it be too high than too low. But anyhow, it turned out beautifully and rolls around nice. Perfectly rolls around perfect here. So super stoked to get the whole garage cleaned up and the jet ski out of this precarious situation here, and onto a real dolly here so I can finish working on it. Okay, and here we are, finished project. Well, actually I think I might have to adjust this. I'm realizing now that it's way too high. Anyways, I'm still pretty happy with the outcome, and I think now it's now that I can move it around easily, super easy. You know, just yeah, I can move it. You gotta watch out with this thing. It's that's a big jet ski. That's like, I almost actually hit my car. Yeah. Yeah. What's up? Hey Zoe. How are you? How's it going? Haven't seen you in. Yeah. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, I'll be there, yeah. Yes, please.